Methods to remove duplicate items from given list. Here I have a list and I have to remove it. So how to remove? Just press here and type a formula unique and select the item range, bracket of, enter. Now you can see that we got a list of unique items. If you don't have unique function, so what you can do? Open the Chrome and type office.com, select the Excel icon, new workbook, and copy the list. Just paste it and type unique list. Now you can use the unique function here. The second method of removing the duplicate items, just select the list, press Ctrl C, paste it here by Ctrl V, and here you have to press Alt A M and then press OK. Now you got unique list here. And the third and the last method is go to Chrome, just type Google Sheet, select the first option, go to Sheet, select blank, copy the list and paste it. Now type unique list, and here you can use the unique function also. Just select the range, bracket off, same as 360 Office 365. Now you got a unique list. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching.